Good morning, dear students. Today we shall discuss next topic, that is Hooke's law. So what is the statement of Hooke's law, we shall see. So Hooke is one of the scientists. He studied the relation between stress and strain in case of a material of a wire, and he gave one relation. So what is the relation between stress and strain? And based on that he gave one statement, that is, we are going to call that one as Hooke's law. So what is the statement of Hooke's law? We shall see. Statement is, so within elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain. So he did one experiment by considering the wire, and he observed the relation between stress and strain, how they are related. So based on doing that experiment, he gave one statement, that is, within elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain. Means Hooke's law is valid within elastic limit. Suppose if the material it crosses the elastic limit, means Hooke's law is not satisfied. So here how we are going to represent this one? So it is given by stress is directly proportional to strain. So here it is also represented as, if we remove this directly proportionality symbol, we are introducing equality symbol. Along with that we are introducing one proportionality constant, that is E, where E is called modulus of elasticity, or one of the proportionality constant we are going to call. So this is also written as E is equal to stress divided by strain. Therefore, where E is called modulus of elasticity, we are calling, or it is one of the proportionality constant. So how we are going to define modulus of elasticity? So modulus of elasticity is defined as, it is the ratio of stress to the strain. So that is the definition of modulus of elasticity. Stress is nothing but restoring force per unit area, and strain is nothing but that is the ratio of change in dimension to the original dimension. So here modulus of elasticity is one of the constant value, that it varies from one material to another material. So that is one of the constant value, and always SI unit of modulus of elasticity is given by Newton per meter square. Here stress is always measured in the SI unit, Newton per meter square, or you can use Pascal. Strain, it has no SI unit. Therefore, the modulus of elasticity, the dimensional formula, it is given by dimensional formula m, L minus 1, T minus 2. And the factor modulus of elasticity, it always depend upon nature of the material, but it is independent on the dimension like length, or it may be volume, or it does not depend upon shape. It does not depend upon the dimension of the material, but it depend upon nature of the material.